SCOV is the international market leader in ventilation and farm management systems for animal production. Every day, our solutions optimize the productivity at millions of pigs all over the world. SCOV contributes to an efficient and sustainable global food production. The low-power ventilation system with wall or ceiling inlets is a classic negative pressure system used in temperate regions of the world. The so-called LPV system is a 100% flexible system which can be adapted to the entire production cycle and all types of production. Air is taken in through wall or ceiling inlets. The fresh air flows towards the ceiling in the house where it mixes with house air before it reaches the pig zone. During cold periods, air velocity in the pig zone is kept at a low level to protect the pigs from drafts. At the same time, moisture and excess heat are removed from the house air. The inlets are opened by advanced inlet control, causing fewer but stronger air currents. This makes it much easier to control air currents in minimum ventilation. All inlets open during hot periods. The pigs are still ventilated by the return air, but the higher air velocity means that they are cooled by the air velocity. At high temperatures, pigs don't perceive air currents as draft, but as a cooling breeze. It's important that the performance of air outlet units is high at a low level of energy consumption. The design of SCOV's air outlets is aerodynamic, and their function is optimized in combination with fans. The air outlet is regulated according to the dynamic multi-step principle. Dynamic multi-step is unique in that the fans connect in steps until 50% of their output. When all the fans in the section have been connected up to 50%, all of them will be regulated in parallel up to 100% when additional ventilation is required. By combining dynamic multi-step with a low-energy fan from the LPC range, the need for energy can be reduced by up to 75% compared to conventional solutions. We also offer solutions for duct exhaust. Through online measurements of air outputs in air outlets, our dynamic air principle ensures correct air volumes for all ventilation requirements in all sections. A well-functioning system requires components which are connected correctly. SCOV mounting kits ensure optimally functioning systems as they include all the necessary parts in the form of washers, wires, screws, fittings, pulleys, etc. High-pressure cooling is good for the animals and creates a pleasant work environment in the house. In hot periods, a cloud of water vapour may have a beneficial effect on the welfare and productivity of the pigs. Atomized water particles can lower the house temperature by 5 to 6 degrees Celsius, depending on the temperature outside the house as well as the relative humidity. Heating is a crucial part of the total climate solution for creating the best possible climate in the house with a high level of productivity. With Spiroflex finned tubes for heating houses, you get an efficient, fast-responding heating system which creates a perfect climate for the animals. Farm Air Clean is a system for biological cleaning, acid cleaning, or a combination of these two cleaning principles. These principles are efficient when it comes to reducing odour, ammonia and dust. Farm Air Clean is a modular concept. It makes it possible to order the required number of air cleaning units based on cubic meters of house air to be cleaned. The mastermind behind the system is SCOV's Advanced Climate and Production Computer for pig production. Common to all controllers is that it precisely regulates and maintains temperature and humidity levels in the livestock house and is used for regulating not only ventilation but also heating, floor heating, humidity and cooling. The climate is constantly adapted to the animal's age and needs based on the set curves. To protect the welfare of animals, SCOV has an independent emergency opening system which opens the ventilation system in case of a failure. ProGrow is an integrated system for the management and monitoring of finisher pig production from weaning to slaughter. The system consists of a management program, production computer, feed weigher, water meter and camera for monitoring the pig's growth. The production computer monitors and controls the supply of feed and water and continuously records the pig's growth at sectional level. The continuous monitoring of feed consumption and the pig's weight enables the pig producer to optimize production finances. At the same time, irregularities are discovered quickly, and this enables action to be taken, thereby minimizing production loss. From a global perspective, pig meat is one of the main sources of protein, and there's an increasing focus on optimizing productivity and ensuring the well-being of the pigs. SCOV's management system, Farm Online, provides pig producers with the following advantages: a complete overview of production at livestock house, farm and business levels, quick action in case of irregularities, improved production and business development based on historical data and references, efficient implementation of production strategy in individual houses. Pig producers who own several farms can access Farm Online data to get a complete overview of their farms and thus enable further development of their business. The owner will be able to compare essential production data across the individual houses and farms and concentrate his efforts on the houses and farms where productivity improvements are required. Business supervisors and consultants can also get the data they need to analyse production and advise farm managers. SCOV has more than 40 years' experience in ventilation and farm management for the pig industry, and we develop our systems in close cooperation with leading manufacturers worldwide. The continued development of our systems provides the producer with a solution, which enables them to develop their business, to ensure the well-being of their animals, and to prepare themselves for the challenges of the future.